Rewrite in terms of sine and cosine. Cosine of x plus 2 pi over 3. By the way, pi over 3, 180 divided by 360, 60 times 2 is 120 in degrees. We apply cosine of sum, which is cosine minus sine. It will be cosine. That's from the formula. Remind you by the formula. Cosine of x plus y equals cosine x cosine y minus sine x sine y. We do the same here. Apply cosine x, but this time y is 2 pi over 3 minus sine x sine 2 pi over 3. And we need to calculate cosine 2 pi over 3 and sine 2 pi over 3. We need to calculate that. So cosine x, cosine 120, it is the same as cosine 60, but it's in 120 is 60, but in second. That's 60, but in second quarter. And second quarter, we have cosine is negative. So you're going to deal with it as the same, cosine 60, but you have to insert negative. And cosine 60, the same as sine of 30, it's a half. So cosine of 120 is negative a half. Minus sine x, sine of 120. Sine in 120 in second quarter, and sine is positive. And sine 120 the same as sine of 60, which is square root of 3 over 2. So this will be square root of 3 over 2, and it's positive. Sine here is positive. So let's to make it more simple. So it's going to be negative half times cosine, which is negative a half cosine x minus, write the number first, the square root of 3 over 2 sine x. You could keep it like that, and sometimes you could take common denominator too, that's fine, and have negative cosine x at the top, and negative square root of 3 sine x together in numerator. You could keep it like that or like that. Provide or prove identity. Tangent of x plus pi over 4. Pi over 4 means 180 over 4, which is 45, and tangent of 45 is 1. So we need to expand the formula, tangent of sum. And as we know, tangent of sum is 2 if we have tangent of, let's do that here, tangent of x plus y is tangent plus tangent, tangent plus tangent, tangent x plus tangent y, over 1 minus tangent times tangent. That's the formula, tangent x, tangent y. That's the formula here. Okay, let's apply this formula in here. Let's apply it. Group it. Okay, I don't need it. Okay. So 10 will be tangent x plus tangent of pi over 4 divided by 1 minus tangent x tangent of 44 of pi over 4. Now we know that tangent of pi over 4 is 1, so replace 1 for it. So it will be tangent of x plus tangent of pi over 4, you can mention here tangent of pi over 4 equals 1. And here is 1 minus tangent x times 1 is tangent x. So you see, left side equals right side. Right side. Left equals